And in this video, we'll compare the LG Cordzero A9 and Dyson V8, continuing my series on LG and Dyson. Out of the Dyson products I've tested, the V8 Absolute is the closest model to the LG Cordzero A9 with its vertically aligned dustbin and chunky roller. I believe LG modeled this first generation Cordzero after the Dyson V8, but it's not a full-on rip-off, since LG introduced unique features that Dyson doesn't have, which I'll share in a bit. I've spent several hours testing these products to gather the data needed for this comparison, so let's get right into it. First, let's compare the features of the Dyson V8 and LG Cordzero A9. The V8 Absolute was Dyson's flagship model and the first model with a hygienic system that helps push debris out. It's the last model with a vertical line dust container, which offers better durability in my opinion, since I haven't had any issues with the dustbin seal since buying it several years back. The Dyson V10, V11, and V15 have this issue, the dustbin seal coming off because the plastic cracks, so you'll have to replace the whole thing. The LG Cordzero A9 doesn't have a hygienic system, only a trapdoor and gravity to empty debris. However, there are variants with a dust compactor feature to compact debris inside to increase dirt volume. Newer Cordzero releases come with a self-emptying dock that automatically empties the vacuum's dustbin, but at a premium cost. Speaking of dustbin capacity, while these products appear to have similar sized bins, the Dyson V8 has a larger capacity at 0.54 liters, slightly more than the LG Cordzero, which is rated at 0.399 liters. Another difference is the power switch. The Dyson V8 uses a trigger you'll need to squeeze for power, while the LG Cordzero A9 uses buttons, making it less tiring to use. The next variance could be a deal breaker, which is the battery. The Dyson V8 uses a non-detachable battery that you can only remove by unfastening these screws, while LG uses a detachable battery. Select Cordzero models have two batteries, doubling their runtime and range, giving it the edge over Dyson. These products come with two nozzles, a soft roller for vacuuming hard floors and a standard nozzle for vacuuming carpet. The V8 and Cordzero nozzles are similar in size and style, but one surprising result of the tests is that the LG cleaning heads were better at cleaning hair, which we'll look at in detail in the cleaning comparison section. Also, consumers will get similar handheld tools like the crevice, combination, and upholstery tools. One advantage of LG's upholstery tool is that it's uniquely designed to vacuum long hair with minimal hair buildup, which was an issue for Dyson's Mini Turbo Brush. The Dyson V8 and LG Cordzero A9 handheld units weigh nearly the same, so there's no clear winner with ergonomics based on this metric alone. But LG's push-button switch gives it the advantage over Dyson because you don't need to squeeze anything. Neither of these vacuums has an LCD screen but use LED indicators for the battery status. Next, we'll look at the airflow results, which reveal that the outputs were close, with a difference of only a few CFM on both the cleaning head and extension tube. This variance translates to the cleaning tests, where the difference between the Dyson V8 and LG Cordzero A9 was less than 1%. Both were efficient at picking up surface debris, with LG having slight advantage at vacuuming surface dirt on carpet and Dyson having a slightly better score in the deep cleaning tests. The LG Cordzero A9 performed better in the hair cleaning tests, scoring better on carpets, which is impressive given that it copied Dyson's brush roll design, but it did use a slightly larger brush, helping it resist tangles better. However, the Dyson V8 was better on hard floors, picking up everything between 5 and 9 inches. Both were excellent in the edge clean experiment, picking up everything in a few passes and highlighting the soft roller's efficiency at picking up debris. Next, we'll look at the runtime, or which vacuum will last longer, where LG wins, lasting 10 minutes longer than the Dyson V8 using the cleaning head in the lowest setting and doubling the V8's runtime in the max setting. If you purchase the Cordzero models with two batteries, that number goes to over 80 minutes in the lowest setting and 30 minutes in the max setting. Since LG storage dock can charge two batteries, you can use it while the spare one is charging and minimize downtime. I use the fog machine to check filtration, to see how well a vacuum cleaner keeps dust inside the dustbin. This is a visual check to see if a vacuum has a good enough seal and filtration to prevent allergens from leaking. The Dyson V8 was slightly better as it didn't have any visible leaks initially, but as the test went further, there were some leaks right here. The LG Cordzero leaked too, but it was worse than a V8, and you can see fog coming out of the dustbin seal. So which option is better? Based on the test results, the LG Cordzero offers better value with its two batteries, better hair cleaning performance, and a storage base that charges two batteries simultaneously. The only weakness of the LG Cordzero compared to the Dyson V8 is its leaky dustbin that didn't pass the fog test. Other than that, it was better than the V8 in most of the experiments. Let me know what you think in the comments section. If this video has been helpful to you, consider giving it a thumbs up. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when I publish new comparisons like this. And I'll see you in the next video.